Okay. I'm very grateful that I get to be here by the sea. Yeah, but I actually recorded or started to record this clip because I wanted to say hi and welcome to a new video. Yeah, thanks a lot for tuning in. I thought that in this video I'll just share a few snippets here and there of beautiful nature and wildlife. Was it yesterday or this morning actually? I got to capture butterflies. I made like a shot with beautiful butterflies, but you already saw that. This was so nice because usually butterflies are so fast and yeah, it's very hard to capture them. But on this tree, on this fork, I don't know how to say it, I think there was something that they liked, so they chilled there. This is actually on the same evening I recorded the intro. Maybe you recognized my sweater jacket. I don't know if you call it a sweater, but yeah, the place was beautiful and the sunset as well. And I'm very grateful that I got to capture this shot, and I'm also happy and also a little bit impressed that I got to capture the shots without a tripod, and in my opinion they're pretty good. Also, something else, yesterday I had this crazy moment. I absolutely panicked. I thought I had deleted all the photos from my phone from the vacation, and they were gone. Yeah, now I'm feeling so much better because I managed somehow to recover them. But at first, I felt even more grateful that I already had like edited, for the most part, this video. I hope that you can like feel the beauty and relax a bit watching this video. Also, it's crazy how fast seagulls are. It might look like this on camera, but in real life there, it was very tricky to try and capture them. And this evening here was just magical. The light, but also this like pirate sailing boat, I think it's called, was just epic. And I also managed to capture a beautiful clip of the sailing boat with birds flying around it. Here, that's one. And there's a second one a little bit later. Thank you for spending your precious time with me. I hope you enjoyed it, you had a good time, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!